The crisp. That's so crisp. All right, guys, we're here. Kevin,
yo, you got the chin angle
the
going.
chin, the underface. Kevin's about to buy an $11,000 dirt bike, and I'm at his house here eating off-brand Oreos. Ooh, it does have the wide view, so it's pretty easy to film.
It's actually currently set to narrow view.
Nice. Got my finger in the camera. It's a little blurry.
Let's go.
Yeah, we got the
vanilla.
vanilla. We got the vanilla sandwich cookies.
Yo, safety first when you're eating off-brand food. You don't know what the factory put lead in it. I don't actually want this.
For being called rare earth magnets, they're really not all that rare. We going down the steps. We here, fellas.
We're done work.
Big day. Kevin could have got this bike a month ago, but he was, dude, this view is sick. I put my hand 6 inches out, and it's like.
It's not even online.
No?
This piece of paper, I'm about to make the greatest trade of all time.
Yo, we're trading paper for bikes out here. That stonks. Kevin's got his 9-foot-long board. Tag someone who carries one board at a time.
He's being a big help holding that camera.
Hey man, we got priorities out here. This is finally gonna be a successful vlog.
We don't even know if this is gonna be a success.
This is gonna be a 35-minute vlog.
With our combined luck, we could easily get into a life-altering car accident before we even get there.
We got the Ram though. They got airbags, right?
Do they? I don't know,
Ram actually.
One up from the base model, they might.
The base model doesn't have airbags to save weight.
Yo, I'm gonna strap it so it doesn't slide around.
It won't fit diagonal? Yeah, I guess not.
Oh, we rolling?
We rolling heavily.
Here,
we're rolling deep.
My heart is.
Solid Performance KTM. We're here.
Downingtown. You need this.
It's Westchester.
I'm gonna stick
right?
it in my pocket. I want to see if I can get away without it. No, this is Downingtown, bro.
Oh, word. Oh, word.
Oh, they got a trial spike going? That's pretty mint.
Yeah. Sign the papers. We going?
Yeah, this is sick.
We out here. All right, we're gonna get the shot. Nice. This is gonna be buttery films right here. Where should I put it? I'm gonna go right there.
Oh yeah.
We're getting the shot. There we go. Not even mine. Perfect.
Gotta do a little bit of diagonal work. That's good.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Oh, dude. Room just there.
Man, I can't believe I have to go diagonal. That's beat.
Where's the other one?
So, fellas, we truly finessed the system and traded a piece of paper for his bike.
Guys, this doesn't happen every day. You don't see this every day, guys.
Call me the Wolf of Wall Street of motorcycles.
He traded a piece of paper for a brand new KTM.
The title of the video.
He traded a piece of paper for a brand new KTM.
I traded a piece of paper for a brand new KTM. Alright, so I'm thinking...
Bro, 2 handlebars right there, we're set.
Yeah, but it's like gonna
You gotta put the kickstand up first.
It'll be fine.
No, bro, you're gonna bend your kickstand.
What?
Bruh.
It's getting replaced anyway.
Bruh. This guy's out of pocket. He's gonna put it on with no kickstand.
The real question is, well, can we fit the ramp?
14 minutes later, we're in. Drop her in.
Yo, we're gonna do wood side first.
Yo, wood side up. Whoa, almost fell.
Oh, I hit my neck. I tore my jugular open.
Yo, that would be great content. Dude, he's gonna ratchet strap the thing down. This dude's gonna take.
I can't have it sliding.
I can't have it sliding.
What do you think?
Can't have it sliding around.
Yo, I can't believe there's a husky in that garage.
Alright, we're gonna get the first start going here once we get back to the crib.
Yeah.
Kevin's gonna instantly dump the clutch and try and scrape it in 3rd gear.
Yes, that's actually.
He's gonna try and do a 5th gear wheelie down 611.
Yeah, just don't show them the configuration we're using for ratchet straps, because the last thing we need is
more hate in the comments. Once we blow up and we have all this shit, they're gonna be roasting our ratchet strap jobs. We have 4 ratchet straps to hold one bike in.
This is gonna be the equivalent of the Haggard garage slamming your Lexus on hockey.
Slamming on tarmacs and daily it. Looks a little loose to me, bud. End of clip. Oh. All right, guys, we're back. Kevin almost backed into someone.
Just, as I predicted, something almost
so the
catastrophic.
life-altering crash is yet to happen, but we do have another 20 miles back home.
I have grave fear in my mind for the safety and security of this bike. So I'll be driving as safe as humanly possible.
We know Rams are trash. I mean, this.
Oh, chill.
It's not even a Rebel. Hey, what's up, bro?
Chill.
Say hi to the vlog.
You going?
Nice zoom.
Oh, chill.
The vlog.
I got acting right now. Don't worry.
The vlog life.
Here it is. My 2020 KTM 300 XC-W TPI.
I think the tank's already stained.
Brand new.
Clapped.
With no miles.
Ooh, in the thing, the tank looks so white and fresh.
It does. That's not gonna last.
No, in the frame.
Oh. It's unreal. I'm so
Weird.
stoked.
I mean, ooh, fire it up.
All right.
I don't know if you have to pull a clutch and if they have a clutch sensor or not.
Nah, probably not. Oh, dude.
Crisp. That's so crisp. Does that have oil in it?
Yeah, it has the brake in it.
I can smell it, yeah. No, I mean they're like premiums.
I'm gonna go grab my helmet.
First ride. Dude's rocking the goggles.
Oh, the gearbox is so smooth.
What do we think here? Dude just rode around the entire tri-state area, it seemed like.
It is so smooth, it's unreal. It is unreal.
Brutal.
Oh, it's so light. It's absolutely it's off the path, bro.
Alright guys, so as you saw in the last couple clips, I got my 2020 XC-W TPI. I bought the bike from Solid Performance KTM. They hooked me up with a great price, and most importantly, they were able to get the bike plated for me. So this will be a street legal 2-stroke Supermoto build. Have a lot more videos coming for this in the future. Right now I am working on getting the wiring kit from Sickest Racing installed, so that'll be done soon hopefully. I have some Warp 9 Supermoto wheels and tires coming. Get those installed towards the end of the month, and then I'm just gonna start ripping this thing. So first thoughts, this bike is just absurdly smooth and crisp. I've only really ridden older 2-strokes. I haven't ridden, anything newer than like 2014. I had a Gas EC300 for a short period of time, and it's completely incomparable. Like, this is such a amazing bike. It is super smooth. It has globs of torque, and everything is just really crisp, really dialed. Even with the off-road tires, this thing handles so well on the road. It's just such a joy to ride. So I'm really looking forward to making more videos about this bike and showing you guys the different things I do to it and how you can make a 2-stroke Supermoto street legal in your state. So if you want to learn more about that, we have a podcast episode we did on that. You can check out below. But otherwise, just stay tuned for more content. I'll have more videos dropping shortly, and subscribe for more. See ya.